Hello, parents. Your child should have made a folder called E-Tech or Essential Technology. Inside that folder, they should have made a folder called Websites. This is so we don't lose them. And then they should have named it their last name, first initial, and then the period they're in. So you can double click that. And what it should look like is they should have brought in a banner that they made from their last unit. They should not only have a different banner for their blog slash vlog, they now should have two that should look like this Dreamboard one. I didn't write one out for graphic design, but they should have written one out here that should be just about the same amount of writing as you see right there. Some kids will skip on that, so that's a good place to kind of help get them corrected. Lastly, they should now have a separate one for artifacts, and they should have their Dreamboard on it. And then they got to pick which edit they like the best and to put onto there. So this is something stored in our Google Drives. It's very much like a Google slide kept in our U46 suite, not for the world to see, but that's what we're up to. We'll keep updating this throughout the year, and that's what there should look like. Thanks a lot for getting involved and helping. Have a great day.